Good morning. Today I'm going to be working on a product. This is called AutoChron. It's an automatic light switcher. So you can put this on any light switch in the house and then you can set the time and date, or realistically the time that the light would turn itself on. This has stopped working, and upon investigation, there's a lot of corrosion on the contacts, the battery contacts. So I'm gonna do what I have done in the past and just try and clean up those contacts and see if it can get the product working again. What I'm going to be using is I have 70% isopropyl alcohol, and this is an acid swabbing brush that I've just chopped short, and I use this to apply alcohol to circuit boards, or like this, it helps clean up contacts. So let's see if cleaning it up a bit, so it's just not turning on. Like, I'm not getting any on screen. Anything on the screen showing up. So I'm hoping just a little cleaning is the problem. Otherwise I'll have to crack it open and take a look. It was just working yesterday, Halloween, and of course I'm the guy sitting inside with all the lights off, so I had to pull the batteries out of this bad boy so that the kids wouldn't keep walking by ringing the doorbell. So I removed the batteries, and this morning I put the batteries back in, and it's not turning on. So that's pretty clean. I'm just blowing on it to help dry it out a bit quicker. And I don't know if you can see a little bit of the corrosion from the batteries, just some acid leaking. So I'm going to pop some batteries back in and see if she works. And it does. Easy enough. Thanks for watching.